What's up, boys? John funded it back in our back testing video. We just got back from school, and real quick, gotta jump right into this. Let's jump right into going to my loss for today. Higher time frame was bullish, honestly, and my long today was not really the move. Both indexes are printing pretty bullish, but we were rejecting outside this gap. What's it called? Where's it at? This hourly gap to the downside absolutely manipulated me. I went in long after this 1 minute break to the upside. This was my trade. Confluence was 5 minute break. SMT at these lows, but we're also creating a bear 6 SMT at the same time. And I went long, had some good profit, and then I got fried. Absolutely stopped out. So, yeah. Yep, prices rejecting out of this gap, and then prices dumped. Alright, let's jump right into some back testing. Alright, I think we're up 2K in the month right now, which is good. Definitely could have done better. I think this is our last week before the month ends, so let's jump right in. Yeah, this is our last week of August. Asia lows, London highs, London lows. Oh, dang. Alright, Monday. It's not the right thing at all. When are we? August. Alright, no news Monday once again. Higher time frame. We seem pretty bullish, but we're in bearish structure. We inverse this hourly gap. So yeah, Nasdaq's looking pretty bearish. Alright, what time is it? It's 3:22. Easily can wrap up back testing before I go. Got work. Where did I work? Work. Okay. No news Monday. We have a potential SMT at these highs up here. I want to be pretty bearish for the day. If Nasdaq can come up a little bit and then ES take out these highs, create a little SMT. Alright, now we create a bullish. Okay, I think we're at all-time. No, we're not all-time highs. What can we target for ES? Could print bullish all the way up to here. Could be this hourly high or this hourly high. So we have good draws liquidity to the upside. If Nasdaq can print bullish, I wouldn't mind taking longs. Okay, Nasdaq broke to the upside, which I like. We just need ES to like maybe inverse this gap. Okay. So this is where we have potential longs. Is this on? Let me see. It's looking wide stops. 1 to 7. Do we have any closer draws? We're currently in this, what is this, 4-hour gap, bro? Yeah, I don't think this is the move, honestly. Is going long here the move? We're inside this gap, very early trade. I'm not gonna take this. Yeah, we got railed. See what price gives us. Okay. If we can start a reversal now to the upside, that'd be nice. Yeah, no trades. This is not really that good a PA. Indexes are low-key opposite. Unless ES continues the bear run, we could potentially target Asia lows. Nah, it's a very shitty RR. Alright, no trades. Hold on. Nah, no trades. Alright, Monday, no trades, nothing to do with the flu. Alright, London highs. Okay. Tuesday, August 27th, we have 10 a.m. news, so we low-key want to be a little patient. Draws to the downside. We are in bearish structure. Could potentially come up, take out this hourly high, do this 4-hour low. I want to be bullish on the day here because the draws liquidity to the upside are way better to the than the downside. So market opens, we're rejecting outside this 30-minute gap. Alright, give us a little retrace. Break to the upside maybe. Okay, so guess it's a little retrace. Just we didn't really break to the upside. We don't have a 1-minute confluence. Beautiful. Alright, come down, inverse this gap. That would be nice. Nah. Never mind. We inverse this gap to the upside on the 5-minute. We low-key could now be targeting bullish. Could be bullish here. Yes, potential bullishness. Beautiful break to the downside. Break back to the upside. We could potentially now be targeting this, hourly high we have. Stops could be by this low. First TP, second TP. Both indexes are printing pretty bullish. We are inside this 30-minute gap here. 10 a.m. news came out. Didn't really do anything bad to us. We're printing pretty bullish. Took out all these draws liquidity. I'm bullish. I like this. I'm taking this long. Fuck. I tried to set a partial. Whatever. Beautiful. No partial. Well done. Bang, bang, train. Come on, girl. Do your thing. Five-minute BOS, little retrace into gap, and break to upside. I was confident in price, pushing through the 30-minute gap due to my bullish. Bang, baby. 1.7 burns, baby. That's a fat trade. What was that? Come on now. That's too easy. Bang. Now we're at like a 3K month right now. You're looking good. I haven't done this in so long. As soon as I got out of school, I back tested. I used to do this shit before soccer. Come home, literally back test, go to soccer, come home and freaking watch TJR recap, go to sleep. Oh, my dad's home. Meep, meep. Bang. This is Aura. Alright. Wednesday, no news. Took out this 4-hour draw. We are inside this 4-hour gap. We look pretty bullish on the day. If I'm going to be honest, we look pretty bullish. We are selling off, though. Get back. Hourly is bearish, rejecting out of this bearish gap. Both indexes are currently are. We did take out this 30-minute low already. We have no news Wednesday. Let's see if price continues lower for my bearish bias. We're really close to London lows. We don't have London lows on ES or on NASDAQ, so we have a potential SMT. Yeah. He's already got swept. I want to be bullish for the day here. Break to the downside. Okay. Let's see if we can hold. So we did manipulate these highs already. Okay. I'm gonna wait for a little retrace if we get one. Beautiful, we do. Okay, we do get the retrace. But like, I don't really like we rejected out this gap, closed by these lows. This potentially could be the trade to go short. But we don't have a 1 minute confluence. We don't have a 1 minute confluence, so I'm not taking this. Yeah, we don't really have a 1 minute confluence there. If we broke to the upside, that would have been really beautiful, but we never did. It's really early in this market, so we could flip. I'm looking for a little reversal here now. Yeah, this P is choppy now. Yeah, go short, then you lose. Yeah, this PA is choppy. Alright, no, like, you don't really trade. I guess we reject out this gap, close all these lows, but like, no 1 minute confluence. I guess we rejected out a 1 minute gap. Do we have like a 1 minute SMT? No. Yeah, no, you just don't take that trade. That's a little risky. We don't gamble over here. We don't gamble, dude. We don't gamble, dude. Damn, huge new day open gap. Jeez, okay. Thursday, 8:30 news. Looks like we're in a clear uptrend, but we're low-key overly... Not really. Looks like we're filling this. If we fill this 4-hour gap, definitely could potentially continue higher. 8:30 news. Okay, yada yada yada. Okay. So what do we have to the upside? I guess we got this 4-hour high. An hourly, you don't really have anything. Same thing, but special 30-minute. If we can come down, manipulate these 30-minute lows, then continue higher, that'll be beautiful. Or we can manipulate these highs and go down lower. Okay. Why is this red up here? Alright, let's see what price does here. Okay, printing extremely bullish. Give me like a nice little retrace. Maybe like a break. There we go. Now if price really wants to continue higher, we need to be a little more patient for these index to align. Okay, we broke to the upside on NASDAQ. I'm gonna wait for a ES to align. Okay, beautiful. Could be like a fat trade. 1 to 4. Little retrace into this 5-minute gap. Printing back bullish. SMT at these lows too. We just swept this 30-minute high though. I'm not taking this. Yeah, I'm not too confident in this one. Okay, now. Hold on now. It's 0.8. I don't like that. Okay, so we have the correct idea. Hold on. Would we have won if we just took the original trade? Yeah, we would have. Damn. Oops. But like, already manipulated that 30-minute high. And London highs. It's just like kind of. Was this the trade that I missed? 1 to 4. Beautiful RR. Really smash TP. Was this the Banner Rooney trade I missed? I don't know. So we sold off. Or we could have just did. But like stops would have been like. Yeah, it would have been like this. Guess a 1 to 1. Or it's the second body candle, so it would have been a 1 to 3. Damn. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. And the higher time frame was low-key bullish too. Damn, it low-key could have took that. Yeah, we're still at 1.7 in the week, bro. Damn, look, you should have just taken that dub ski, bro. Yeah, we were low-key really bullish too. Should have just took that long. 8:30 news again. So that's news. That's news. We're inside this gap. 30-minute high. Have this hourly high up here. Vice versa here. 4 hour, 30 minute, 15, 30 minutes. High here. Alright, let's see what price gives us. I think London high is gonna get taken right away. Yep, bang. Potential bearish SMT. Now Nasdaq selling off. ES wants to probably grab London highs, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, we did. And that's data highs too. Are we gonna print bullish again today? Interesting. Okay, there's the break. Nasdaq ES sold off really hard. So we took out these highs up here. Now we're low-key selling off here. Wow, strong displacement. I low-key want to go long. Stops the body. 0.83 RR. Do we take it? Do we be patient? Or do we run a floater? This is be a fat trade. I think we do a floater. Or bullish. Extremely bullish. 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 Now we just create an SMT, sweeping out these lows. I'm taking it. I'm setting a partial at this high up here. And we're gonna let this bit run. Okay, beautiful. First TP snagged. Come on, run, run. Alright. If we break again, if we break to the upside, I might low-key go long again. Inverse. Okay, now we're definitely selling off. I'm taking my bad ski. So what is that? 300. Small little win. Small little win, baby. End of the week up 2 bands. Continue higher. Very bullish week. Displacements and I can't spell. And S&T at market open lows. I was confident. Price continuing. Arribas. Oh shit, I'm still recording. Alright, boys, we're gonna wrap it up. That's the month for you. Looking pretty good. August went pretty well. Could have definitely had another one banger here. So this is unfortunate trade right here. We should have won. TP got edged. But yeah, August was low-key valid. August was I think August is done, no? Yeah, August is done. Alright, anyways. Let's see how August ended. August was a very beautiful month. My most profitable month so far. Made 2,500, 1.5 RR, 50% win rate. Looking good. Alright, we're up 7 bands in 2 months. Not too bad. Or 3 months. 3 months? No, it says, yeah, June, July. 7 bands in 3 months. Definitely could do better, but that's valid. Alright, boys, I'm ending this here. I'll see y'all later. Peace.